I almost got killed by the cows. I can't believe it too.
So the plan was to go for a walk today. I was waiting for the bus. Here it comes. Whee! And here we are. Yeah! The weather was good and the weather was bad. It was really confusing. And I was walking to there. And we don't have a pedestrian crossing here. I had to run for it. Sorry for the shakiness here. Oh, that was really bad. Yeah. And oh yeah, that's the guy. Oh, that cow literally made me shit on my pants. I was so scared the cow's gonna jump over the fence to kill me. And I didn't do anything wrong, guys. I didn't do anything at all. And if I'm being honest, that I have never gotten this many cows to look at me at the same time. I didn't know what did I do wrong. I was just like walking as fast as I can to leave the farm in case they jump over the fence at the same time.
No eye contact, guys. So animals are mad at you for no reasons. No eye contact. That would piss them off even more.
The construction worker gave me a ride on the construction truck. He saved my life. I was kinda helpless on the road, walking alone. And he saw me, he pulled over. He asked me, do I need help? Thank you so much. Also, when I was filming the videos, I got some strangers in my videos. Like he just wanna sit on the bench, so he sit there with me. I have met a lot of nice people in Tauranga.
So I was just saying that you can get free rides on any bus with your old ticket as long as you got it in the last 2 hours before you get on the bus, and all you need to do is to show it to the bus driver.